Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. In the previous lecture, 21st lecture, I taught about what is future continuous tense, what is the structure, helping verb, form of verb, and a lot of things. I did it in the previous lecture. In today's lecture, I will be talking about what is future perfect tense. So this is lecture number 22nd and level first. You are once again with Mudassir, English with Mudassir. So let's come with me. So it is called future perfect tense. It is the third category of future tense. So in Urdu we call it फ़ेल मुस्तक़बिल मुकम्मल. उर्दू में इसको हम फ़ेल मुस्तक़बिल मुकम्मल कहते हैं. How Urdu speaker will understand this sentence is belong to future perfect tense or not. Students को, learner को, उर्दू learner को किस तरह पता चलेगा कि ये sentence किस tense से ताल्लुक़ रखती है? Because most of the audience, most of the learner is from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and many more countries. So here I told you in the introduction, so I will be talking in Urdu as well. So those sentences which end with these words will be considered as future perfect tense. वो sentences जो इस अल्फाज पर ख़त्म हो चुके हो तो उस sentences को हम future perfect tense में कंसिडर करेंगे, वो हमारे साथ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस होंगे. सो द सेकंड थिंग इज द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Which form of verb will be used in future perfect tense? So I told you, when you saw the perfect word, when there is perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect, so there must be third form of verb. Go, went, gone. So this form of verb will be used in future perfect tense. So what will be the helping verb? The third identification is the symbol of the tense is the third important thing is helping verb. Shall have, will have. We have two helping verbs. So shall have will be used with I and we. Will have will be used with he, she, and singular name, plural name, you, they. So nowadays, most of the grammarians are saying that only will have is enough for all the subjects. बहुत सारे grammarians ये कहते हैं कि will have सब के लिए काफी है. लेकिन according to old grammarians, they are saying that with I and we there must be shall have. With the remaining, we will use will have. So here we have positive sentences. What will be the positive sentences of future perfect tense? So look at the structure. Subject. First will be subject. Then shall, will, according to subject. Then have. Then word third form. Then object. Got it? We have some example. I am going to change it. So first thing you do is to look at the end of the sentence. पहली चीज आपको sentence के last में देखना है. If this sentence belong to future perfect or not. So we have this thing चुका होगा here. So it means that this sentence belong to future perfect tense. Got it? So one thing more, here we have single member. From this हमको इससे पता चलता है कि member single है, चुका होगा. और एक और कि ये मेल है. जब मेल हो, single हो तो फिर हम ओह के लिए ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it? So now change it. He shall have, will have. तो he के साथ हम will have लगाते हैं. Got it? Will have, will have. passed. He will have passed exam is the short form, examination. Got it? The second sentence, वो मैच जीत चुके होंगे. वो मैच जीत चुके होंगे. Look at this way, place, चुके होंगे. Got it? So this sentence is belong to future perfect tense. Got it? Now this also shows us it is plural. उर्दू में हम प्लूरल के लिए चुके हैं, चुके होंगे इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और यहाँ पर चुका है सिंगल के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. तो ये ज्यादा है, तो फिर जब लोग ज्यादा हो तो उसकी ओहो के लिए फिर हम दे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it? So they will have, shall have. So will have, they के साथ हमारे साथ they के साथ will have आता है, तो will have लगा देंगे. Will have. When won, they have won the match. Got it? They will have won the match. So the third sentence is सारा गाना गा चुकी होगी. सारा गाना गा चुकी होगी. चुकी होगी mean this sentence is belong to here future perfect tense. So सारा है तो सारा का नाम सारा will have sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Will have sung a song. Sarah will have sung a song. Got it? Now coming to our negative sentences, I told you when we put not after helping verb, so that sentence is called negative sentence. Negative वो sentences है जिसमें हम काम नहीं करते. मैं स्कूल नहीं जा चुका होगा. This shows us this sentence is belong to future perfect tense. Now change it. I may, I के साथ shall आता है. Shall have, shall के बाद not. Got it? Shall के बाद not. Shall not. Look at the structure. Not have. Gone to school. I shall not have gone to school. वो अपना काम खत्म नहीं कर चुकी होगी. This shows us this sentence is belong to future perfect and also shows us it is female. तो हमारे साथ female हो तो फिर हम इसके लिए she इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it? तो change it. she के साथ हम will लगाते हैं. will have. will के बाद not have. finished. She will not have finished her work. Her. Why I use her? Because it is female. For female we are using her. We cannot use his. Got it? हम मैच नहीं जीत चुके होंगे. हम we we के साथ हम shall इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it? We shall not have won the match. Got it? I told you negative interrogative are those sentences in which there is a question, जिसमें सवाल पूछा जाता है, आपको आंसर देना होगा. Got it? किया असलम आ चुका होगा. किया असलम आ चुका होगा. So I told you, when we put helping verb in the start of the sentence, so that sentence become interrogative sentence. So subject shall, will, the start of the sentence, then subject, then have, then third form, then object, then question form. Here Aslam आ चुका होगा. Aslam is singular name, so इसके साथ हम will लगाते हैं तो will को आगे करेंगे. Will, इसको capital, start of sentence. Will Aslam have come, came, come. So come is the third and first form of come. Come, came, come. Got it? There is no object. Kia ammi kana paka chuki hogi. Kia ammi mom, mother. With mother we are using will. So will को आगे करेंगे. Will mom are mom or mother, both are same thing. Have cooked. Question mark. Will mom or mother have cooked the meal? Got it? So क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके होंगे? हम we के साथ हम shall लगाते हैं तो shall को आगे करें. Shall we, look at the structure. Shall we have? Played. Shall we have played cricket? Question mark. Got it? I am repeating it again and again in each and every video for any tense if you want to learn it. So you have to know the recognition of a sentence. Recognition of tense or sentence. Which form of verb will be used? What will be the helping verb? And what will be the structure? The most important thing in each and every tense is that thing, structure. You must know about the structure of each and every tense. So if you have any question regarding future perfect tense, you can ask in comment section. So please like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.